Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag. It's my last one ever, because I am saying sayonara to the glam bag, because it's gone up in price, and it's not that great. So I'll unbox this one and say sayonara, sucker! Let's see. First off, we have an angled brush, and this is really nice feeling. And it is by Beauty For Real, and that's like a great little highlighter brush. So that's cool. I'm gonna put it right here. I'll put it on the table for now, but then I'll throw it in with my brushes because it looks really nice. And it says the glammiest show on earth, and it does tell us about, sometimes it tells us stuff, but this talks about being thankful, and with it being Thanksgiving season and Christmas season and all the seasons, it's good to be grateful. I'm grateful for you. And this is a little fluffy, fuzzy, velveteen, velour kind of bag with a gaudy, this gold is awful. I hate this bag, it's ugly. But let's get in here and see what we have besides our brush. First off, we have from Belle en Argent. This is, I believe, an eyeshadow thing, like a cream eyeshadow pen. This is gonna be short and sweet. And then I have from Estate a navy blue eyeliner, which looks very cool. You can see a little blue right there. I'm not gonna unzip it because I don't want to fuck up my nails. But it's nice, a full-size eyeliner. It's always nice to get a full-size thing in this. And this is Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash, which I could use on to get all this makeup off my face, from Origins, which is nice. And then we have a little teeny tiny Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner, 20% vitamin C. And it's very cute. So we got the bag, we got some teeny tiny things, we got eyeshadow, a brush, and eyeliner. Very cool. Goodbye, Ipsy. This is the shortest video I've ever made, besides announcing a winner for something. So, thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I'll see you soon.